Welcome back to the Crochet Creatives with my friends at yarnspirations.com. Here's a new stitch that I developed, and it's actually a really tight stitch. It's really quite thick, and this is a mix of the Sedge stitch with a 2 together double crochet to create this interwoven look. I did this concept on a basket. So here's what the basket will look like if you do this stitch. It is double-sided, and it's really thick, and it will stand on its own once you're good to go. Also with an infinity cowl, it looks absolutely amazing on the way that this thing works up. Let me show you how the stitch is done. To change the size of this stitch, it's in multiples of 3 plus 5. So you just go in and you just chain 3. So 1, 2, 3. Happy with the width, yes or no? If not, keep on going. So 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and I say, well, I'm happy with this, so then I'm going to add 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So once you have that done, we're ready to go. So you can chain as long as you need to go, as long as it's multiples of 3 plus 5. It's easier if you get yourself established on this stitch here first. So go second chain from the hook. So just go right here, turn it over and get the back hump of the chain and just single crochet yourself all the way across. So 1 single crochet in each chain all the way back to the start. I'll see you there in a moment. Once you're all the way back to the start, just simply turn your work and let's begin the second row. Before the fun can begin, we need to do the next row to get ourselves established. You're going to chain 1 and you're going to single crochet and then half double crochet and then double crochet into the same one. This is called the Sedge stitch. Skip 2 stitches and go to the third. So single, half, and double. And you're going to do that all the way across. So just skip 2 stitches, single, half, double. Skip 2 stitches and same. I'll see you on the other side in a moment. Eventually you'll come into the other side and you're just maintaining with what you already know. And when you get to the other side, you're going to skip 2 stitches and just place in 1 single crochet into the last stitch that's there. Okay, you're good to go. And now you're ready to turn your work, and now the fun will begin. We're going to do the Sedge stitch, but we're going to add a 2 together double crochet, which is what you're seeing to make it really textured and really kind of basket weavy. So you're going to start the Sedge stitch out as what you already know. So chain 1, single, and then half shares the same. Now what we want to do, see where this one is coming out right here? That's exactly where you need to go. And you were just going to yarn over and going into there and let this fall over top of the project and just scoop it and pull it up a little bit and pull through 2. And you'll do that twice. So yarn over, same spot, pull through 2 and hold. Once you see the 3 loops, pull through all 3 and you're done. This will be really noticeable in the next round. So what you're going to do is you're going to skip, right? And you're going to go right here. See, this is a single. And so you're skipping 2 that you can see. Go right here and begin again. So single, and then half, and then the 2 together double crochet is going to come, see where this is right here? It's kind of leaning towards that. That's exactly where you need to go. You can pull it open if you need to see it more. And you're going to double crochet down into that spot, yarn over, give it a bit of slack, pull through 2 and hold, and do that one more time. Pull through 2 and pull through everything. So skipping, see the single right here? So you're going to start single and half, and you're going to jump on down. See where this is coming in right here? That's where you're going. So 2 together, double crochet. You could also probably call this a cluster maybe. Pull through everything. So just keep on moving across your row just the same way. And it's going to be this row that repeats over and over until the cows come home. So just got to look down below. So by just sinking down like that, you're causing the weave to really be noticeable. So you're going to come close to the other side. Okay. You're going to jump on down, 2 together, double. And the very last stitch, when you finish a row, would just be a single. And then you're good to go. This is the double-sided pattern, so when you turn it, you'll see it as well. So turn it around and let's do that same row over and over. So let's do this row again. So you're just going to chain up 1, so a single and a half into the same. Right here, see where it's coming out of, is where the 2 together double crochet is going to be. And pull through all 3. So right here, you see it? It's the shortest stitch, so you'll do a single, a half, and then the next one, see right here. If you pull it apart, you'll see it. That's a 2 together double crochet. So moving, this is the shortest stitch, so you're skipping 2. It's the third one away. So single, half, and then come on down, do your 2 together. So when you're using variegated yarn or long self-striping, those kind of yarns really play a really cool factor on this kind of concept. And when you're done, you're done. So you may want to just, at the end of this, just put a single crochet row at the very end when you're happy with it. And therefore you'll have balance and symmetry with the very beginning. Okay, really easy to do this particular pattern. Let me show you what the basket looks like. Oh, make sure you put in your half. I'm going to show you what the basket looks like in just a second. So coming right to the end, 2 together, and then single at the end. So that's what it looks like. Let me show you the basket. So here's what the basket looks like. You can see that the weave appears on both sides. And when you do the basket, you just don't go around and around and around. You go to the very beginning, stop, turn it around, go back in the opposite direction. And therefore you end up with these beautiful pieces just like this.